You know what, son? I'm trying to make a living here. And I hope God will bless us so we can buy a big automatic machine to make ice for our freezers. This manual is killing me, man.
Oh, Mom, I know it's tough, but we are managing. I wish we could get that machine too. It will make life so easier.
Oh, that's great, my son. I wish God can answer your prayers and we have a good machine so we can end up having a good company for ourselves.
Yeah, Mom, just keep pushing. We'll get there. Maybe one day we'll be the biggest freeze seller in the town. Nothing is impossible with God, Mom. As long as we are alive and working, we can make our dream come true.
Exactly, my boy. Every big company started small just like us. We face challenges, but we'll keep pushing.
Yeah, Mom, we'll get that big machine one day and we'll make even more freezes.
Yes, that's my boy. I like that.
Yeah. Mom, remember I want to be a doctor and a businessman and build lots of houses.
Oh, yes, I believe in you, my boy.
I promise, Mom, I'll make you proud.
I know you will. So you mean ufuna uba ngudokotela on the other side ube ngusomabhizinisi?
Yeah.
Ube yi-property developer ube nezindlu zakho ufaka abaqashi?
Yeah, niziningi futhi.
Why ufuna uba ngudokotela?
Nanti vele udokotela yenza imali eningi.
Esebenza kwi-government? Esebenza kwi-government?
Ay lapha ngazi phela ngisasemncane kakhulu, mama.
Hayibo, sasemncane for ukwazi ukuthi udokotela ohola imali eningi usebenza phi?
Hayi mana, I mean zoba ngisebenza ku-private hospital.
Wow, kunemali ku-private ne?
Yeah.
But phela kuthathwa abantu abapasileyo musa bahambile bayi-varsity, hayi nje.
Kodwa mina since grade 1 phela ngaze ngiyafail.
You mean even this time around uzobupasa kulesi sikolo?
Yeah.
I like your courage. Sengikhathile umshina lo emanual ayaya. Kepha ngathi ubona ngathi umsebenzi omncane yakhathalisa lento.
Wena maybe sazoyithola leyani machine
Edulayo.
Yeah, kodwa
You think so?
Yes, ngiyazama.
Hey, definitely mele same shem i-choice ayikho because lo uyenza kancane. Imagine if frozen eli 1 minute mele unikeze bo 1 minute ukuthi liphume lingavuzi.
Ngiyakhathaza yo.
Iyakhathalisa lo mshini. That's why kumele ufunde nawe ungabe ngumayenza ama-frozen.
Yeah.
Ungabe ngumayenza ama-frozen kumbeni ungazibona usungulwana umuntu ohamba ebhode ethola imali enzima uhamba udingisa ama-ice cream or nescooter. Akuyenzi ne?
Yeah.
Kumele ube ne-future eqhakazileyo ndoda. Ufunde ngokuzikhandla.
Okay. Mama ithi manje mina ngikhuluma.
Ukhulume ngakuyi-video?
Yeah.
Oh.
Hey guys, we are starting with our freezes in these bags for now. But exciting news, we are working hard to get colorful bags with funny messages soon. Help us get there and we'll keep bringing the best freeze it to the people. And futhi yeah, bheka nje kunzima lokhu kuyabe kusamele uthathe isikere ukhathe and bheka lento unganisizomosheka manje.
Angeke mosheke ibalansile lento. Just that is slow.
And bheka vele kunjani nasi isikero sangikhona kuyabe kumele ukhathe hayi kunzima ngicela lisize.